This is Marty Dougherty with the Serenoa Repens in a potted plant version. I have it in here for years because when you put a plant in a pot, it tends to hold the growth down a bit. So what we have here is the Serenoa Repens. The reason I like it is because it's a clustering palm, and it produces all these almost like in the nature of a bonsai palm. For those that grow bonsai, you could probably do it on that and just keep it. This has been in this way for years, and it has a tendency to put out these little stubs. There are miniature versions of the plant, and as it grows, extends out, I tend to pull off the old ones, brown out. But most times I'll just leave it alone and let it grow, because you can see it has that serrated edge, which is a little more pronounced than the Paredes palm. Paredes palm is a little more serrated than this one is. But you just got to keep your gloves on when you're handling these plants, because they are very pretty. And like I said, this one will survive as a potted plant for a while. I have another one in the back. I think it's a green version, but it's been there for many years. And all I do is I just cut it back, and those little wooden stems back there, the ones in the back, are like literally about 4 inches wide, and they produce as I cut it back a few times. But really, after a while, it just gets to liking the areas in, and it just grows and grows and grows. So that's the Serenoa Repens Saw Palmetto in a potted plant specimen. One of the few palms that you can put into a potted plant and have it in your backyard for years to enjoy. Thank you for stopping by. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Any questions? We're all ears. Bye-bye.